How to buy official Elon coin token. Now this token came under the symbol of Elon. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the exact comment and keep following the updates about this token, and make sure to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screen here. It created 8 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's meaning your investment in a safe place. And this token, as you can see, trending number 3 in this section. To be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your fund to mine for that. Now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this also can click on it. Now here you can type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to redact to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now as you can see, this is how to buy Elon token. If you found it very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.